Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Cadillac XTS Luxury. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.6 V6 pushing out 304 horsepower. For wheels we've got 19-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black leather interior. Sunroof. Come around back. XTS badging. Opening up the tailgate, we got a clean set of floor mats. This one does come with a keyless entry. Dark wood trim, memory seats, power windows, Bose sound system, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission. This Cadillac has 134,086 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Cadillac XTS Luxury, check out feldmanimports.com.